jayo samba ma chulai tham je ke ba sa ti ta la ja chulai ta lai shi pa shu ya su cha pa shu.
So first of all, I want to say I'm very proud on our Tibetan ensemble. We shared Tibetan culture, we talked to people about Tibetan culture, so many people were listening and got to know more about the situation in Tibet and the Tibetan culture. So this was wonderful. It's such a beautiful ensemble, and tomorrow is premiere, so please everyone tell your friends to come there and support us, listen to the Tibetan story, to this important story. It's your story as well. So come and share this event with us.
With me, okay? While you're sitting. Okay.